Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? Welcome back. Today, we're delving deeper into Meta. We recently published an initial report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Looking to enhance your trading decisions? Try out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Before we proceed, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.59. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Meta has shown a gain of 6.95%. This means that on average, it has returned 0.69% per day since it was marked as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is experiencing a strong upward trend. However, this could present a selling opportunity for short-term traders as the stock may react and move towards the lower part of the trend. A break above the top trend line at $358.01 would indicate a stronger rate of ascent. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 12.16% change in the stock's value. This means that investors could see a return between 0.112% and 14.96% over the next 3 months. On a 12-month scale, the trend suggests a significant 134.9% change in the stock's value. This could result in a potential return between 115.87% and 151.43%. In other words, the stock price could range from $753.99 to $878.18 after a year. Our latest update for Meta brings an important headline. Meta stock has been downgraded from a strong buy candidate to a buy candidate following Wednesday's trading session. On Wednesday, December 20, 2023, the Meta stock price experienced a decrease of 0.308%, dropping from $350.36 to $349.28. Throughout the day, the stock exhibited a fluctuation of 2.06%, ranging from a low of $347.80 to a high of $354.96. It is worth noting that the price has risen in 7 out of the previous 10 days, resulting in a total increase of 10.03% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the decrease in trading volume aligns with the stock's decline, which can be seen as a positive indication, as volume typically follows the stock's movement. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 16 million shares being bought and sold, representing an approximate value of $5.57 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached $354.96, while the lowest price was $114.38. Presently, the stock is trading at a price 1.6% or $5.68 below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 9.12% or $35.05 below its all-time high, which occurred on September 1, 2021, when the price reached $384.33. Analyst ratings. On Monday, November 20, 2023, B. Riley Securities graded Meta as neutral with a hold action. On Monday, November 20, 2023, Meta received an outperform grade with a hold action from Wedbush. Wells Fargo graded Meta as equal weight with a hold action on Monday, November 20, 2023. Goldman Sachs gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action on Thursday, October 26, 2023. Meta received an overweight grade with a hold action from KeyBank on Thursday, October 26, 2023. According to analysts, Meta stock has received a general buy rating. The PE ratio is rated as strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also considered strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a closer look at the signals for Meta stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate buy signals for Meta stock, providing a positive forecast. Additionally, the relation between these signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there is support at $340.19 and $329.85. However, a breakdown below these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. It's worth noting that some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the stock's near-term development. On Tuesday, December 19, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -0.308% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. In the last trading day, volume decreased along with the price, which reduces the overall risk since volume typically follows price movements. In this video, I'll share some interesting signals that you should know about. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 11 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 11 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 232 days ago. For more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for the stock Meta. Let's start with support levels. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $299.53 and $297.74. Support levels are important because they indicate a price point where there is enough buying interest to prevent the stock from falling further. However, if the current support level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In the case of Meta, if $299.53 support is broken, the next support levels are at $297.74 and $288.35. Moving on to risk, it's important to note that there is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If the support level is broken, it can lead to further downside movement in the stock's price. In the case of Meta, with its current support levels, the risk is considered to be medium. This means there is a moderate level of risk associated with the stock. Lastly, let's talk about the stock's movements and volatility. Meta has average movements during the day, meaning its price fluctuates within a certain range. Additionally, with good trading volume, the stock's daily average volatility for the last week has been 2.32%. This provides an indication of how much the stock's price can potentially change on a daily basis. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A PE ratio like this is commonly observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 07, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $4.75. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly influence stock prices. Let's dive into potential day trading levels for Meta. If Meta experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch is at $350.36. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the price to surpass this level before considering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a suitable level for swing trading. On the flip side, Meta faces its initial support level at $299.53. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The consensus from multiple analyst sources is that Meta is a buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider activity involves Zuckerberg Mark, who both bought and sold a total of 42,469 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power ratio is minus 47.053, indicating a negative trend. In total, insiders have purchased 89,453 shares and sold 249,115 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $336.16, which represents a decrease of 3.76%. This stock generally has moderate daily movements, resulting in a moderate level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed just 1 day ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a generally favorable trend for Meta stock. This indicates that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, we have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Furthermore, our systems have identified that the current price of Meta stock is undervalued based on analyzing its volatility and recent movements. Looking ahead to Thursday, December 21st, we anticipate that Meta stock will open up with a gain of $1.40 and begin trading at $350.68. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that the information provided by StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. Also, let us know your target for the stock. If you find this content helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.